So there are a lot of different verticals in affiliate marketing. If you're wondering what are the verticals, what are the different verticals or niches in affiliate marketing, I'll be going over all of them, or as many as I can, in this video. So let's check it out, and I'll be going on my computer as well and showing you live from an affiliate network some of the different industries. So some of the different verticals in affiliate marketing. First off, I'm going to describe what do verticals mean. Now, what a vertical is basically synonymous with a niche or an industry. Affiliate marketing terminology is really convoluted. It can also mean a payout type. A CPI stands for cost per install, and that is considered a vertical in affiliate marketing. There's a whole vertical of mobile advertising to get people to install games. Another vertical is pin submits. Pin submits are when people purchase games or mobile apps through their phone carrier. It's called carrier billing. So those are some anomalies, but other niches are more traditional, such as education, solar lead generation, investment lead generation, muscle, testosterone, crypto, diet, biz op. There's a million of them. So first off, I just want to let you know, basically the terminology is all over the place. So it's a little bit hard to actually understand what the different verticals are. But we're going to go on my computer right here, and I'll be walking you through what some of the different verticals are with using two affiliate networks as an example. So ClickBank is one of the older affiliate networks. It's been around for 21 years. It's what I use for affiliate marketing. And by the way, if you want to learn more about how I do affiliate marketing and want a free course on YouTube about it, you can either subscribe to my channel and you'll get the free course, or my assistant should put a link to my playlist somewhere up here. So when we go into ClickBank, what we can do is we can go clickbank.com, and we will go to the affiliate marketplace. You see that right here where my arrow's pointing to. And what we'll see, if we scroll down, there's the marketplace, we'll scroll down on the left-hand side and we'll see a bunch of different categories. Now, some of these can be considered vertical. I'd say the ones most commonly called verticals, some of these are small, but self-help, software, spirituality is a vertical, mobile is a vertical, languages is a vertical. A lot of these are considered verticals in affiliate marketing, education, and you can advertise them all if you want, but really most of the time people just pick one vertical to go in. Now, when I started as an affiliate, my first vertical was investment. It's not about the quantity of leads that you get, it's about the quality. What a sale was in that field is when somebody invests about $80,000 on average into precious metals to diversify their 401k portfolio. So it's a pretty big sale, and it's pretty hard to get those sorts of deals through marketing. Well, that's what I did, and I got good at that. My next verticals in affiliate marketing were bed bugs, diet, and skincare, and biz op, just to give you an idea. So let's look at another marketplace. We're going to look at what's called a CPA network, which stands for cost per action. And these networks are a little more aggressive. We're going to be looking at the Affiliati network, which is a network I've also made millions with, but it's a bit more aggressive. If you just want to make tons of money and you don't really care whether the offers you're selling are necessarily high quality, this is a great network. But that being said, I was in that place at one time. We can see a lot of the different verticals here. So you see some of their top verticals. These are the top performing offers. You see that it says top offers right here. Now, as you see, one of the top offers is a crypto offer. So it's teaching people how to invest in cryptocurrencies. It used to be part of a vertical called binary options, which is a pretty crazy vertical. The next vertical is called pay per call. Pay per call means that you're getting money each time somebody makes a call and calls into a sales floor. And in this case, it's for credit repair. Now, pay per call, it's a payout type, right? It's not a vertical. Credit repair seems like it would be a vertical, but pay-per-call is considered a vertical in affiliate marketing. The reason it's considered a vertical is because generally you have to advertise pay-per-call offers differently than you advertise, a traditional product where you can purchase online. Since you're trying to get people to go on the phone, a lot of people are affiliates that do pay-per-call only do pay-per-call offers, and they'll advertise those offers by doing RVM, SMS, IVR. Now, you might not know what those are, but again, this is why it's a vertical, because those words are very niche specific. They're very vertical specific. What those stand for is SMS text message. IVR is basically you're doing robocalling, which is those spam calls you get. And RVM stands for ringless voicemail. It's when you get a voicemail that appears on your phone, but you never saw a missed call. Those are ways people make money with affiliate offers. The next vertical you see is diet. Diet is one of the largest and longest lasting verticals ever. And as long as there are people that feel they're overweight, there will always be a demand for people for diet or weight loss products, okay? And this was one of the niches that I've made a lot of money with. I did Facebook ads to Garcinia Cambogia products. I made millions doing that. As you'll see, diet appears a couple times here. You see diet, and the product's name is Keto Burn Extra SS. SS stands for straight sale. It's only US. And notice that in the offer description, it's saying you can't do surveys for this. You can't use SEO or PPC. Probably be advertising this as, there's a lot of other ways. I won't go into that. You'll see diet also appears here, Nutrisystem, diet again, Slim Trim Forskolin. Now, some other niches, I mentioned skincare. Skincare is a niche that you'll see appears a couple times here. Skincare, skincare, skincare. So these are some of the larger niches. Diet and skincare are obviously very large niches. Other niches include CBD. Male enhancement means you're selling basically stuff that functions similar to Viagra, stuff that helps men, generally speaking, older men that maybe sit at their job too much or don't have as much sexual drive anymore. It sells them products. This is considered a niche, which is called white hat. White hat is considered a niche because basically a lot of these offers, they're very aggressive and you can't advertise them through traditional means. You can't just put up an ad for a cryptocurrency offer on Facebook. Facebook has outlawed cryptocurrency offers. They've also outlawed a lot of weight loss offers. So white hat is a vertical because it's saying you can advertise this product safely on Facebook without too much fear of them disapproving your ad or banning your account. That's why it's considered a vertical. Now, some other verticals we'll see here, if I drag down, are a bunch here, and I'll just give a brief description of a few of these for your information. So adult means basically you are selling subscriptions to porno websites. That's a vertical. Android means that you're selling games. You're doing CPI, cost per install offers, that people can purchase only on Androids. As seen on TV offers mean these are offers that are advertised on TV. Auto stands for auto insurance. If you're getting people to fill out a form to sign up for auto insurance. Background check means that you are promoting a product where people are, maybe they're looking up a lover or a girlfriend or a boyfriend to do a background check on them, or even an employee worried about what information is going on. Binary stands for binary options. That's basically changed to cryptocurrency. BizOps stands for business opportunity. If you're learning how to be an affiliate marketer, or how to sell on Amazon FBA, or how to start a franchise, or how to sell anything, that's a business opportunity. Cash advance payday loans is an offer category. Generally speaking, very poor people need payday loans, and it's a very big market with very high margins, unfortunately. Casino offers are getting people to sign up either for an online casino or to teach them how to gamble, which is a scam, if you ask me. Credit stands for credit repair. Dating is getting people to sign up for dating websites. This was very big back in the day when dating first arrived on the scene. Match.com would be considered a dating website. Diet, downloads, e-cigarette, education. You'll see there's a ton of verticals. Male diet, meaning male weight loss. Male skincare. Target gay people for that. It actually works very well. I've done that. Nootropic is brain pills, teaching people to enhance or giving people supplements to enhance their brain. Pain relief, pin submits, subprime, sweeps. So you'll see there's an absolute ton of offers that one can advertise, and this is one affiliate network, and it's not even one of the largest affiliate networks. There's absolutely an unbelievable amount of opportunities in affiliate marketing. There's a ton of verticals. And again, as an affiliate, most people focus on one vertical because that's all you need to do. That's all I do. One vertical to crush it. Now, I've changed my verticals over time, but you really only need to focus on one at a time to crush it. Dude, I don't know about you, but I am worn out from going through all of those verticals. I've looked up so much advertising that's bringing me back to try to think of all these different ads and all these different verticals. But it's pretty cool to see how big the industry is, right? So hope this has been helpful, and let me know if you chose a vertical, or if you have a vertical in affiliate marketing that you are most interested in, type it in the comments. I want to know what vertical you're most interested in. That'll be really cool. And if you post your vertical, I might even throw out give you some ad swipes for posting a comment just to help you out, because I've ad swipes in almost all of these verticals. Also, like this video if you got something from it, and if you want a free course on affiliate marketing, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Just slam it to get a free course on affiliate marketing. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.